Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, people. Okay, we have 4 words and we need to match the name of each emotion with the picture of the boy that is down there. We're going to write the words in the dotted line. The words that we have are angry, worried, happy, and confused. Angry and happy are words that you should know. These are really easy for you. Now, there's the other word. Worried, the second one. Worried. Repeat with me. Worried. Okay, that word, we saw that at the beginning of the school year. Vimos esa palabra a principios del ciclo escolar. Now, the other one, confused, is a word that probably you will not have a problem trying to make sense out of it. La siguiente palabra, confused, es una palabra que posiblemente tú puedas entender usando el sentido común. Let's try to write them, okay? Write them on the dotted line. I'm going to give you some time so you can write it. And here are the answers. The first one, worried. The second one, confused. The third one, angry. Arr. The fourth one, happy. Okay, now, the situation here is in the first one, worried. What is the meaning of worried? W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Let's spell it with me. We're going to spell W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried. Preocupado. He is worried about something. The second one, confused. Confused. Confundido. That's right. It's when you don't know what to do sometimes. La cara tal vez no parezca muy confundida, más bien parece pensativa, pero también es una cara que ponemos cuando estamos confundidos, volteamos hacia un lado, hacia el otro. We are confused. We don't know what to do. Okay. You should have that. Okay? Now, the second part, the exercise number 2 says, look at the pictures and write an emotion from activity 1 in each situation. But you are going to write the emotions and tick. Make that little tick, that little check mark in each of the boxes. In which situation can you offer help? Offer help to the people that are in the pictures. Think about it. Write the write the emotions, angry, confused, happy, worried, and also do the tick. Okay? Here we go. Time for thinking. And here are the answers. Angry, the first one. Look at the lady there. She's messing. She was ironing, and then she probably burned something out. Happy, worried, confused. Repeat with me, please. Angry, happy, worried, confused. And in 3 of these situations, we can offer help. We can offer help to the lady. We can offer help to the boy. We can offer help to the girl that has a map or something. I'm not sure what she has. Okay, let's go to the next page. In this page, you have 3 questions. Are you lost? Do you need help? Would you like a new one? Do you need extra help at school? You're going to match the questions with the numbers that you have before. The numbers that you have here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to match them. You're going to write 3 of these numbers, the numbers where you can offer help. Are you lost? Do you need help? Would you like a new one? Do you need extra help at school? You're going to write them here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, depending on which one is the correct one. Okay, remember, you're going to use this. And finally, number 5, or the next one, number 5, is to write these 3 questions in each of these dotted lines. You're going to write them here, okay, depending on the answer that you have here. You have a conversation, and the conversation begins with a question. You're going to write them there. I am going to give you a few minutes so you can finish that one, okay? Here are the answers, and here are the questions. The number 4, Are you lost? Do you need help? Is because the girl is lost. She has a map. Number one, would you like a new one? Is because the lady burned the pants that she was, the slackers or whatever she was ironing. And the number three, do you need extra help at school? Because the kid has some kind of problem. That reason he's a little down, a little depressed. Okay, now the questions. You should have wrote, do you need extra help at school in the letter A? Repeat with me. We're going to read this part, okay? Do you need extra help at school? ¿Qué crees que significa en español? Dímelo. Necesita significa, ¿necesitas ayuda extra en la escuela? That's the reason we are offering help. And the boy or someone says, I think so. I pay attention, but this is just too difficult. I think so. I pay attention, but this is just too difficult. And finally, the other person answers, okay, let's see if we can get you a tutor. Now, the letter B. Repeat with me. Would you like a new one? Of course, this one is dirty. I need a new one. No problem. Give me a moment. Now, the letter C. Letter C says this. This is the question. Are you lost? Do you need help? Remember, you are repeating. Repeating the letter B. Yes, please. Could you tell me where the bus to Calle Bolívar is? Esa es una oración más larga. Vamos a intentarla otra vez. Could you tell me where the bus to Calle Bolívar is? Could you tell me where the bus to Calle Bolívar is? Now the answer to that one. Repeat with me. Sure. Go straight and then to the left. Very good. Next page. Well, actually, it's not the next page. It's the same page, but it's the exercise number 7. In this case, we have a girl that is doing some kind of presentation. Now, we have here this little table. It says problem, school presentation. The emotion she has, she's nervous. Nervous. What kind of greeting will she do? Write a greeting here. Offer help. You're going to offer help because she's nervous. And then you're going to write a sentence to accept help. Help. And then a farewell. You're going to use the phrases that you have learned so far. In this exercise, you're going to answer freely. You're going to answer the way you want to answer. It does not matter at all. Puedes contestar como quieras, no importa. Lo que importa es que sepas lo que estás escribiendo. Esto es importante porque en base a esto vas a desarrollar tu trabajo para el final de esta unidad. Por favor, contesta en inglés, por supuesto. Greeting, offer help, accept help, and farewell. Okay? The next page is the same. La siguiente página es similar o lo mismo. You need to answer exercise number 9. This is a situation where we have an audio. We don't have the audio. I cannot play an audio for you for this one. But we need to try to come with ways or forms to answer questions. For example, the first question, what is the problem? Where are they? How does he offer help? Did she accept the help offer? Esto tú lo puedes contestar utilizando como ejemplo la situación que acabamos de ver donde la niña estaba presentando en la escuela. When she has a presentation, you can use that problem so you can answer these questions. As long as they are related to that, it will be fine. What is the problem? Where are they? For example, the first one, what is the problem? The kid is nervous because of the presentation. Where are they? They are at school. How does he offer help? He asked her if he can help her. Did she accept the help offered? Yes, you can say, yes, she did. She accepts gladly. For example, you can write anything that you want here. Okay? Let's go to the next page. In this case, this is also related to the audio. So in this case, what I am going to do is to read these sentences. Please repeat them with me. Repeat the sentences with me. Repeat the sentences with me. Here we go. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. Do you need money? Do you need money? That's the reason I can't visit you. That's the reason I can't visit you. Do you want me to visit you? Do you want me to visit you? I'm going to school now. I'm going to school now. This is something called stressed. Stressed, like in the stressed syllable. The stressed syllable that we have read so far. Stressed. Palabras en las cuales se ejerce un poco más de entonación, más fuerte, como la sílaba tónica en español, en inglés se llama sílaba estresada, o stress syllable. En este caso lo que nosotros vamos a hacer es enfatizar ciertas palabras de las frases que estamos diciendo. I don't have any money. Do you need money? That's the reason I can't visit you. Do you want me to visit you? I'm going to school now. ¿Por qué estamos enfatizando estas palabras? Que sería la respuesta en la pregunta 11 o en el número 11. Why do they stress these words? To help the other person to understand. Para ayudar a que la otra persona entienda. Por eso es que enfatizamos en ocasiones, aún en español, ciertas palabras. The last one. What other thing do they do to clarify meaning? ¿Qué otra cosa se hace cuando quieres clarificar el significado de lo que dices? Repeat the words slowly. Repite las palabras lentamente. Okay? Basically, this is what we have done so far. And now, this is the last one. Esto constituye lo que sería nuestro trabajo final o lo que haríamos durante esta semana o al final de esta semana. Tenemos que elegir un problema de nuestro libro Padres y Madres. No estoy hablando en español para que para ambos sea igual de claro. Elegir un problema que se te ocurra, ya sea de tu libro o que inventes alguno, y escribir un pequeño diálogo. Elegir las palabras que vamos a utilizar, las oraciones, checar bien que esté bien deletreado, bien escrito y bien con buena puntuación, que no nos equivoquemos. Si vamos a escribir una pregunta, debe llevar un question mark, un signo de interrogación. Ilustrar nuestro póster, hacer un dibujo. ¿De qué tamaño va a ser? Ya había dicho en la ocasión anterior que sea algo relativamente pequeño, o la mitad de una cartulina. Compre usted una cartulina a la mitad y que eso sea el póster. Vamos a escribir en ella nuestro diálogo y la idea es que en un momento dado lo presentemos en clase cuando alguna vez tengamos clase. Si no vamos a tener clase, pues ya veremos la manera en la que lo podríamos presentar. Tal vez tomarle una fotografía al póster cuando lo haya hecho. Que no vengan fotos y después les pasaría yo una dirección, un correo electrónico o mi teléfono para WhatsApp para que me agreguen. Ya veríamos cómo para que en un momento dado ustedes publiquen la foto de el trabajo, no de su hijo, que su hijo no aparezca en la imagen por ninguna razón. Y la intención es en un momento dado hacer eso y poderlos tener ahí en la clase. Well, I hope that this has been a little bit helpful for you. I hope you can do it at home. And I really want to see you again. So let's cross our fingers so we can do that really, really soon. Okay? Bye bye. Espero que nos veamos pronto. Vamos a hacer changuitos para que así sea. Hasta luego. Nos estamos viendo en otro video posteriormente.